Assalamualaikum, my name is Noor Ashikin. My metric number is 2024235238. Today, I will be presenting our study titled The Effect of Affiliate Marketing on Customer Trust. First, let me begin with the introduction. Affiliate marketing is a digital marketing strategy with third parties, such as influencer or content creator, promote a company, product, or service and receive commission for successful sales. With the rapid growth of the internet and social media, affiliate marketing has become much more effective because businesses can now promote their products through platforms such as TikTok, Shopee, and other online platforms. Features like live streaming shopping and influencer marketing have made it easier for businesses to reach customers and influence their buying decision. Therefore, this study focuses on understanding how affiliate marketing affects customer trust among university students. Next is the problem statement. As technology continues to develop, more businesses are using affiliate marketing because it allows them to reach a larger audience at a lower cost while increasing customer engagement. However, although affiliate marketing has become increasingly popular, there are still several concerns. Consumers are exposed to a large number of advertisements and promotional content every day, making the online marketplace highly competitive and saturated. As a result, many consumers become skeptical about the credibility and trustworthiness of affiliate promotion. In addition, previous research has mainly focused on traditional marketing, while limited studies have examined how affiliate marketing influences customer behavior and customer trust. Factors such as the trustworthiness of influencer, product quality, authenticity, and customer review may influence purchasing decision, but the extent of their impact is still unclear. Therefore, this research aims to examine whether affiliate marketing can influence customer trust and help businesses improve their marketing strategy in the digital environment. Now, moving on to the research question, this study aims to answer three questions. Question 1, does live streaming shopping have a significant influence on customer trust? Question 2, does online customer review have a significant influence on customer trust? Question 3, does affiliate marketing have a significant influence on customer trust? Finally, the research objectives are directly aligned with these questions. The objective is first to examine the influence of live streaming shopping on customer trust. Second, to evaluate the influence of online customer review on customer trust. Third, to determine the influence of affiliate marketing on customer trust.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Ali Nabila binti Nur Ali. My metric number is 2024800-462. So this slide shows our conceptual framework. The main focus of this study is customer trust, which is our dependent variable. There are three factors that influence customer trust. First is live streaming shopping. This allows real-time interaction between seller and customer, which helps build trust because customers can see the product clearly and ask questions directly. Second is online customer reviews. Customers usually read reviews before buying. Positive reviews help increase trust because people rely on others' experiences. Third is affiliate marketing. This involves influencers or promoters recommending products. When customers trust the influencer, they are more likely to trust the product. As shown in the diagram, all three factors have a positive effect on customer trust. Now, I'll explain the hypothesis developed for this study. The hypotheses are based on consumer behavior theory, which explains that consumer trust is influenced by their perceptions, experiences, and interactions during the online shopping process. For hypothesis 1, we propose that live streaming shopping has a significant positive relationship with customer trust. This is because live streaming allows consumers to interact directly with sellers, ask questions, and watch live product demonstrations. These features reduce uncertainty and increase consumers' confidence before making a purchase. Previous studies also found that live streaming shopping helps build customer trust. Next, for hypothesis 2, we propose that online customer reviews have a significant positive relationship with customer trust. Before buying a product online, consumers often read reviews from previous buyers. Positive reviews provide credible information, reduce perceived risks, and increase confidence in both the product and the seller. Therefore, online customer reviews are expected to strengthen customer trust. Finally, for hypothesis 3, we propose that affiliate marketing has a significant positive relationship with customer trust. Consumers are more likely to trust product recommendations from affiliates or influencers when the information is honest, accurate, and relevant. Authentic affiliate content helps consumers make informed purchasing decisions and increases their confidence in the seller and the e-commerce platform. In conclusion, this study proposes three hypotheses. We expect that live streaming shopping, online customer reviews, and affiliate marketing all have a significant positive influence on customer trust among university students using e-commerce platforms such as TikTok Shop and Shopee.
Hello, my name is Dan Fitri. My matrix card is 2024420448. So now moving on to chapter 3, methodology, which is the population sample. The population sample for this are students from UiTM Sabah branch, typically UiTM KK and Taos campuses. Students are selected because they are among the most active social media platform users, and the estimated number of students enrolled in the campus are like 6,000 students. We chose these students specifically because they are suitable respondents for this study, because they have been exposed to many types of online content, and they are also exposed to affiliate marketing content, online reviews, and live streaming shopping through digital platforms like TikTok. Okay, now we move on to sampling size. So for the sampling size, there are like approximately 100 respondents that we gathered, mainly around University Technology Mora, Kota Kinabalu, or UiTM, and all of them are students through the use of questionnaires in Google Form. Okay, next for sampling techniques. In this research, we use non-probability sampling method, typically using purposive sampling. What this means is that instead of handling surveys at random, purposive sampling allows us to handpick respondents who fit into the criteria for these research goals. To ensure that the data is clean, every participant must pass a quick screening test. Meaning that the students must be active university students, no matter diploma, degree, or masters, who uses social media on online platforms on a daily basis. Okay, so last but not least is the software used. The software that we use to help analyze the data that we collect from the 100 respondents through questionnaires in Google Form or SPSS. This software was employed to perform descriptive analysis to summarize the respondents' demographic profiles, reliability analysis using Cronbach's alpha to assess the consistency of the measurement items, and multiple regression analysis to examine the relationships between the independent variables and customer trust. The findings then be generated from SPSS and then used to test the research hypotheses, whether they are accepted or not, and to support the study's conclusions.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nabila Sadatunisa binti Herman, and today I'll present Chapter 4 Research Results and Discussion, which is 4.2 Descriptive Analysis. So the first summary is for demographic profile in age. The highest group that contribute to the question is age 21 to 23 years old, which contain 46% of the overall of the respondent, and the second highest is age 18 to 20 years old, which contain 33% out of 100%, and the lowest group that contribute to the question is age 31 and above, which contains only 3% out of 100. So the mean for this demographic profile age is 2, and the standard deviation is 0.985. Next, for the gender, the female contain about 66% of respondents that contribute to the question is more higher than the male, which only contain about 34% of the respondents. So the mean of the demographic profile of gender is 1.35, and the standard deviation is 0.470. So for the educational background, we have 4 educational background, and the highest respondent contribute into the question into the survey is for bachelor degree, which contains 56% of respondents, and the second highest is from diploma, which contains 27% out of 100, and the third one is for master's degree and above, which contain 11%, and the lowest educational background comes from pre-diploma, which only contribute about 6%, and the mean for this educational background demographic profile is 2.72, and the standard deviation is 0.740. So the last one for descriptive analysis is for shopping habit. So the highest shopping habit that respondents do is for the shop only when needed, that contribute about 46% of respondents, and the second one is shop several weeks at a time, which contain 19% out of 100%, and the lowest shopping habit of the respondent is shop daily, which only contribute about 5% out of 100 respondents. So the mean is 3.79, and the standard deviation is 1.356.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hasina binti Hasanuddin, and my matrix number is 2024299106. Now, I would like to explain the reliability analysis of our study. Before conducting the main statistical analysis, it is important to ensure that the questionnaire we use is reliable. Reliability refers to the consistency of the questionnaire. In other words, it measures whether the respondents answer the items consistently when measuring the same concept. To test reliability, we use Cranbrook Alpha, which is one of the most widely used reliability tests in research. Generally, a Cranbrook Alpha value of 0.70 or above indicates that the questionnaire has good internal consistency and is considered reliable. Based on our result, all the variables in this study achieve Cranbrook Alpha values above 0.70. This means that every construct, including live streaming shopping, online customer review, affiliate marketing, and customer trust, has good reliability. Therefore, we can conclude that all the questionnaire items are reliable and suitable for further analysis. Since the reliability test was successful, we proceed with multiple regression analysis. Next, I will explain the multiple regression analysis. The purpose of this analysis is to determine whether the three independent variables, which are live streaming shopping, online customer review, and affiliate marketing, have an influence on the dependent variable, which is customer trust. First, let's look at the model summary. The R value is 0.701, which indicates a strong positive relationship between the independent variables on customer trust. This means that these variables are strongly related to customer level of trust. Next, the R square value is 0.491. This means that 49.1% of the change in customer trust can be explained by the three independent variables included in this study. However, the remaining 50.9% is explained by other factors that we are not examining in research, such as product quality, price, brand reputation, customer service, or previous shopping experience. Next is the ANOVA result. The analysis shows an F value of 30.915 with the significant value of less than 0.001 because the significant value is below 0.05. The regression model is statistically significant. This means that the three independent variables, when considered together, significantly influence customer trust. Therefore, the regression model is suitable for testing our research hypothesis. Now, I will explain the key findings of this study. First is hypothesis 1, which examines the relationship between live streaming shopping and customer trust. The result shows that this hypothesis is accepted because the relationship is statistically significant. The beta value is 0.280, which indicates a moderate positive influence. This means that when sellers conduct live streaming sessions, demonstrate products, answer customer questions, and communicate in real time, customers become more confident and trust the sellers more. The second finding is hypothesis 2, which examines online customer review. This hypothesis is rejected because the p-value is 0.098, which is higher than the required significant level of 0.05. This means that online customer reviews do not significantly influence customer trust in this study. One possible explanation is that many respondents do not fully trust online reviews because they believe some reviews may be fake, manipulated, or paid by sellers. As a result, customers may rely on other sources of information because making a purchase. Finally, hypothesis 3, which examines affiliate marketing, is accepted. Affiliate marketing recorded the high beta value of 0.619, making it the strongest predictor of customer trust. This suggests that customer trust affiliates who provide honest product demonstrations, real experience, and useful recommendations compared to the traditional advertisement. Affiliate marketing feels more authentic and personal, making customers more confident in their purchase decision. Overall, the findings show that affiliate marketing has the greatest influence on customer trust, followed by live streaming shopping, while online customer reviews do not significantly influence customer trust. Lastly, I will conclude the findings of this study. The first objective was to examine the relationship between live streaming shopping and customer trust. Our findings show that this objective was achieved because live streaming shopping has a significant positive relationship with customer trust. Customers appreciate seeing the product demonstration, asking questions directly, and receiving immediate response from sellers. This interaction increased their confidence before making a purchase. The second objective was to examine the relationship between online customer reviews and customer trust. However, this objective was not supported because there was no significant relationship between the two variables. This may be because respondents are becoming more cautious and skeptical of online reviews due to the increasing number of fake or biased reviews available on e-commerce platform. The third objective was to examine the relationship between affiliate marketing and customer trust. The result showed that affiliate marketing has the strongest positive influence on customer trust. The customer trend to trust affiliate who provide honest review, demonstrate how product work, and share a genuine experience. This helps reduce uncertainty and encourage customers to make purchase decisions. In conclusion, this study demonstrates that affiliate marketing is the most influential factor in building customer trust, followed by live streaming shopping. Meanwhile, online customer reviews will found to have no significant influence on customer trust among UiTM students in Kota Kinabalu.
We move into the recommendation and the conclusion. The recommendation for future researchers is to expand the sample size and include respondents from multiple universities, such as not only for UiTM students but only contains other university in Sabah. So next is investigate additional variables such as brand image, perceived risk, product quality, and influencer credibility. The third one is apply mixed research method, quantitative and qualitative, to gain more deeper insight. It is because we can get a lot of information from other method and not limited for one only method. So the last one is recommendation is conduct comparative studies across different e-commerce platforms. So for the overall conclusion, the study successful achieved its research objective by examining the relationship between live streaming shopping, online customer reviews, and affiliate marketing towards customer trust. The two hypotheses, which is hypothesis 1 and hypothesis 3, were accepted, while hypothesis 2 was rejected. This is because the affiliate marketing was identifying as the strongest factor influencing customer trust because of the beta that we get is 0.619, and the live streaming shopping also has a significant positive influence because it increased customer confidence through real-time interaction. The online customer reviews did not significantly influence customer trust because customer may question the credibility of online reviews and not sure about the feedback that they get. So overall, the findings suggest that business should focus on affiliate marketing and live streaming shopping to strengthen customers' trust and encourage online purchasing.